Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you noticed that your messages used to be blue but now they're green? The green messages are regular SMS messages while the blue ones are chats sent via iMessage. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your green messages back to blue bubbles on your iPhone. Let's go. There are two color schemes in messages to help you tell the difference between iMessage and SMS. Messages sent through iMessage show up in blue bubbles, while those sent via SMS appear in green bubbles. Let me show you by opening the settings. Then tap on Apps. Then navigate to Messages. If you go to the Messages settings and enable both iMessage and Send as SMS, your iPhone can automatically switch to SMS when iMessage isn't available while still using iMessage to communicate with other iOS users. However, if you want to change a specific SMS chat back to iMessage, there's no direct setting for this in the Messages app. But I'll show you a quick workaround you can try instead. First, make sure you're connected to the internet. You need an internet connection to access the iMessage service. Once you're connected, wait until the text area in your chat automatically switches to iMessage. If it's taking too long, try closing and reopening the Message app. Once the text field shows iMessage, copy and paste the specific SMS message you want to resend. Then tap the Send button to send it as a new iMessage chat. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.